So these are the three excerpts that I've chosen from the Decameron for you guys to read. And although two of them are from the second day, and I did just say that the theme of the second day was fortune, I did find them to be good examples where we could find a little bit of the theme of lying and deceit. And I pulled quotes from each of these days, more for like an in-class discussion rather than me just like lecturing at you. And I'd like to bring them up in the discussion that we're gonna have with me leading over Zoom, rather than just like continue lecturing at you guys. Just because I think it'll be like a little bit more productive. But basically, in all of these stories, although they are all different, although they are from different days, I think that they all show that theme of lies and deceit. And I want to talk about if you guys can find any quotes from them, and I have a couple of questions to pose about the theme of deceit that we see through maybe these three works, or if you guys found it, if you found any other quotes that were different than me or had anything else to add. So I'm going to put those questions on the next slide, and we can talk about it in the online discussion and in class. And then these are just the questions that I wanted to talk about in class. Well, I'm here on Zoom, and also I'm assuming Dr. S will post these to the discussion boards for today's topic. And then these are just the sources that I used for this presentation. Sorry that I had to go to a second clip, but